Hey there, and welcome to this 5-minute crash course on Scrum, an agile framework that helps teams work smarter and not harder. And if you're really serious about becoming a project management professional, we have a full course for you, everything you want to know about project management. That is the only course out there that fully covers Scrum, Agile, Waterfall, and hybrid methodologies. Check the link in the description if you'd like to know more and find your 15% discount code at the end of this video. Alright, enough talk, let's dive in. Scrum is an agile framework designed to help teams deliver value quickly and continuously through small, manageable increments. Instead of spending months planning and hoping that everything goes perfectly, Scrum focuses on short cycles called sprints. Think of it like Netflix. You don't have to wait for the entire season to drop. You get a new episode each week. This allows teams to be flexible and adaptable, delivering value more frequently and making improvements along the way. It's no surprise that companies like Google, Amazon, and Spotify use Scrum to stay ahead of the curve. In a world that's changing faster than ever, this iterative process is what keeps them agile. So let's take a look at how Scrum actually works in practice. Scrum is often compared to Waterfall, the more traditional approach to project management. Imagine this: Waterfall is like planning every step of your vacation months ahead, where you're going, what you'll do, and how much you'll spend. It's all set in stone, but what if things change on the fly? Too bad. You're stuck with the original plan. That's where Scrum shines. It's all about adaptability. Scrum is like a road trip. Decide on a destination, but take detours as you go based on new information. You work in short bursts of focus called sprints, so you're always delivering small chunks of value. Whether you're developing software or launching a new marketing campaign, this flexibility is essential. So if you need to stay on track with the plan, Waterfall is your buddy. But if you need to adapt quickly to feedback, Scrum's your go to. A Scrum team consists of three key roles, and each is crucial for a successful project. First, we have the product owner, who's like the director of a movie. They set the vision and prioritize what the team works next. Without a clear vision, it's like directing a film without a script. Next is the Scrum Master, the unsung hero who helps the team stay on track and removes any blockers that may come up. Think of them like a producer. They make sure everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. And then finally, we have the developers, the stars of the show who do the actual work. Everyone on the team is self organizing, meaning there's no rigid hierarchy. Everyone pitches in and success is shared. Now, let's talk about the secret sauce that makes Scrum so effective: its events. Scrum has four main events that help teams stay on track and keep making progress. First, we have sprint planning. This is when the team decides what they'll work on in the next sprint, like the game plan before the big match. Next comes the daily stand up, a 15-minute check in where everyone discusses what they've done, what they'll do next, and any blockers they're facing, just like a huddle before the big play. After the sprint, we have the sprint review, where the team showcases what they've accomplished. Then there's the sprint retrospective, a time to reflect on what went well and where improvements can be made. And then finally, you sync your several Scrum teams in a Scrum of Scrums and work on the tasks backlog in parallel to everything else. These events help teams stay aligned, transparent, and continuously improve. At the core of the Scrum is the sprint, a short, time boxed cycle where the team works on defined set of tasks. Sprints usually last from 1 to 4 weeks and aim to deliver a usable product increment at the end. Think of it like a TV show filming one episode at a time, getting feedback after each episode so you can improve the next one. Sprints allow teams to stay focused and avoid the last minute rushes that often plague traditional project management. By delivering incremental results, the team can adjust, refocus, and mitigate risk along the way. And that's a wrap up on Scrum. But hey, project management is so much more than just that. If you want to learn it all, waterfall for structure, agile for flexibility, and hybrid models for real world success, we've got just the thing for you. Everything you want to know about project management is your all in one online course packed with clear, simple lessons to help you level up fast. We'll start with project management fundamentals, from waterfall structured approach to agile's fast-paced flexibility. You'll learn to build strong teams, manage risks and budget, and handle changes with confidence. We'll dive into agile roadmaps, Scrum, and real-world hybrid models used by top companies. By the end, you won't just understand project management, you'll know how to apply it. And as a thank you, enjoy 15% off with code AGILE15, but hurry, as it's a limited time offer. Click the link in the description to enroll. Like, subscribe, and comment on what you want to learn next. See you on the course!